Hi, my name's Rob from Head Simulations, and today we're going to be setting up a mount for your Carl. It'll come in three different pieces. First of all, the pole, the arm, the articulating arm, and the Carl itself already on part of the mount. To set it up, there's going to be a three-step process here. First, we're going to take the pole section, we're going to attach this to the desk. So it'll go on like this. You can adjust it with this little crank down here, depending on how thick your desk is. This one is clearly very, very thin, but it's still enough for this to hook onto. Once your pole is set up, next step is the arm. So slide that down the pole, then you should be good to go. If you need to tighten it, there is an adjustment here, which you can use with the Allen key. Last of all, the Carl, you'll slip that on the top. You'll see on the actual pole, there's a little tab. Not sure if you can make it out or not. You'll just need to push that tab in with the Carl, go on it with an angle, sort of like this, and then it should come down and you'll hear a snap there. Once that's on, that's completely set up. That's all you gotta need to do. The only thing is if you're using it and you want it to be a little bit more restricted, for example, if you want to bring the Carl down to here, and then if you want to push on the Carl without the mount moving, you will need to do some slight adjustments. So I'll walk you through those now. All the adjustments are done with this Allen key. The Allen key will be mounted on the pole, so make sure that you don't lose that it always makes its way back there. First of all, if you want to restrict this motion, so the rotation around the pole, you'll put the Allen key in this little slot here. If you want to restrict this side-to-side motion on the arm, there's the similar one right in here. And last of all, if you want to restrict Carl rotating on the arm like that, there'll be one more right here. You just tighten it as much as it goes, and then Carl will be completely in place without reacting to any motion. So now that you've got your Carl all set up on the mount, if you want to take it apart and disassemble it, either when you're packing it up or just for storage, exact same thing, just the opposite way. So first of all, with the Carl, you'll take this off first. Not sure if you can see it here, but there is a little tab. So I'm going to be putting my finger in there. Normally we find it's a little bit easier if you bring Carl to the very top. So I'm going to push that tab and then pull Carl straight up. So that's piece number one. Piece number two, the articulating arm here. That just slides off. And last of all, this pole. Just slide off the desk. So very easy to put together and then disassemble as well. If there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to a member of our team.